Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, now we are starting to create Amazon sellers account. Okay, so for this you will be uh, type this link sellercentral.amazon.a. Okay, after that you will be reach to this page. After that, click on sign up. Okay, after that, add account. Again, create your Amazon account. We click on this. Okay, after that we will be type near your name, email name, everything. Okay, so first we will be type here email address, name, then email address, and again password, and retype the password. Okay, so I am filling soon. Save Ahmed. Okay, here the name, email address, password, and again type the password. Then click next. After we will receive OTP on this email address. So I am opening this email address. I receive this OTP. Copy this and paste this here. Okay, create your Amazon account. I click on this. Okay, now I putting here the mobile number. So United Arab Emirates, I am here putting the mobile number. Five six seven zero. Send OTP. Okay, after putting OTP, we will click on create account. After that, this screen will be appear. Okay, then get started. Okay, after that, where is your business registered? So here we will be select the country, United Arab Emirates. Save and continue. Okay. The next question is what type of business do you have? Okay. So we have individual account. Okay. I click individual. Here I will be type the name. Save Ahmed and save and continue. After that, I click on this confirm and agree and continue. Okay. So after that, we will be click the marketplace. Marketplace is United Arab Emirates. Okay. We'll select this and select account. Okay. After this, next step, this screen will be appear. Okay. So here the name, country of citizenship. I select Pakistan. Okay. Country of birth, Pakistan. Sorry. Citizenship, you will be select United Arab Emirates. Okay. And country of birth, you will be select Pakistan. This national ID, date of birth, uh, 13 January 1989. Want to verify again. Country of issue, United Arab Emirates. National ID number, 784 198930096129. Date of expiry, 24 April 2026. The address, Al Quazo for, and there the city, mm, Dubai, okay, country, Dubai, Abu Hel, yes, and this we will refill this information. After that, click on next, okay. Okay, monthly subscription free. So for individual, this is now free. We will fill information later. Okay, this is about the card fees. So we will skip for now. Okay, there are $39 for month charges about the Amazon account. But for now, here in Dubai, for individual account, there are free, no have any charges. Okay. After that, the store name, which the business name we are going to choose for our business. Okay. So I am writing here Ahmad store. Okay. Okay. Do you have universal product for all your products? No. Do you own brand? No. Ahmad store not available. Ahmad unique gadgets. This is available. Okay. This no and no. Again, click on next. Good. Identity, identity and address verification. Okay. So for this, we will be provide here the ID card, front and back side. Okay. Okay. So I will upload here the ID cards. Okay. This is front, upload front side. So I will be click on this, continue. And here I have this folder. This is the front side ID card. Okay. Uploading. And this is upload back side. Continue. This is the back side of ID card. And I open this. This is uploading. Okay. So this both are now updated ID card. Now we will need the bank statement for this. Okay. Okay. So I am clicking here on upload document for the statement. Continue. This is my statement. Then open. Okay. Then click on next. Take a photo of your face, record a video. Oh. Okay, here I am recording the video of the face. Okay, click this and click on next. Here by clicking this accept and click on next. Start identity check. Okay, United Arab Emirates. Select. First upload your ID, passport, national ID. Click on national ID. Okay, so after the registration process, when we upload the picture or video, okay, of the ID card and our face. So after that, our account going to the review process. After the review process, after 48 hours going to complete, so our account looking like this. Okay, there we click. This is the menus. So we only discuss a little this menus. Okay. So this is a catalog. So catalog, when we click on add product, from here we can add the products. Okay. Any type product using this SN number. Add the product via upload. For example, we have own products. We not going to upload the other company's product, and we have own brand. So we upload from there. For example, we have created a product complete list in the Excel. So from here we can upload this full Excel sheet. After that, we upload for this Excel sheet images from here. Upload images. Okay. When we click on images, so from there we can uh, you can drag and drop. Here you click, and from here you can upload the images. Okay. So this is the inventory. When we there only this option. Okay. This is FBA inventory, and there are manage all inventory. If you working on FBA, so we will click on here FBA inventory. Okay. We will be click on manage inventory. So which product we uploaded, here will be show all products detail. From here we can change our prices, the quantity, everything we can change. From here we will be click on this and edit listing. Okay. So from here we can change our quantity, how many pieces. For example, you have adding new pieces and we changing the price. From here you can manage everything. Okay. Okay. Orders, manage orders. From here, for example, if you receive order, if you making FBM, fulfilled by merchant, so from here you will be manage your orders. If you making business like the FBA, so you no need to manage order. This will be for manage for you the Amazon by self. Okay. So if you click on manage order, here you will be see all your orders. Okay. Here. After that, this is the advertisement section. So this is next time complete video. How we will be run paid advertisement inside in the Amazon for our product. Okay. And there are the stores, many stores. So if for example you have registered company and you have get the license, not individual account. So from here you can create your own store like the website inside in the Amazon. Okay. But for this important your business register with the government. Okay. So this is no need, and this is the reports. For example, you take monthly reports, how much sell I, how much products are sale, a lot about your profit, investment, anything. Full detail will be available here. Okay. And this is all others not about. This is about the all big brands. Okay. All other options.